how to fix Instagram story background change option not showing problem. So if you want to fix Instagram story background change option not showing problem, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Instagram application and make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you have your internet connection, now if you tap on your story, go with your camera and then select any background or any image as your background. Now you need to go with the text, which is on the top right, or just simply go with the three dots, which is on the top right, and then tap on draw. And here you need to select color and tap and hold on to your screen for a few seconds. And as you can see that your background color has been set. Right. So tap for 2 seconds and your background will be set. Once you've set your background, now in order to save this, you can go with the top right, which has that tick, and it has been saved. But if you don't find this background change option on your stories, then what you need to do is first you need to go and update your application, because if you have not updated your application, then you might find this kind of problems. So you need to open up your Play Store, go with your search and search for Instagram. After searching, if you have any updates, you need to tap on update and update your Instagram. And after updating, your problem might be fixed. But even after updating, if that doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is you need to just go and restart your device. After restarting, go back to your Instagram and you'll find the background change option. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.